Take time to pray. I got up early one morning and rushed right into the day. I had so much to accomplish that I didn't have time to pray. Troubles just tumbled about me, and heavier came each task. Why doesn't God help me? I wondered. He answered, "You didn't ask." I tried to come into God's presence. I used all my keys at the lock. God gently and lovingly chided, "My child, you didn't knock." I wanted to see joy and beauty, but the day toiled on gray and bleak. I called on the Lord for the reason. He said, "You didn't seek." I woke up early this morning and paused before entering the day. I had so much to accomplish that I had to take time to pray.